This is Mary Lane from the Buying Space channel. Today I have a jewelry delivery. I wonder what beautiful things are in this package. This jewelry seller is Josephine Lawrence. Oh, that feels nice and heavy. This is the invoice. Thank you, Joe, for including the invoice. Merry Christmas, Myra. Peace at Christmas. Sending you warm wishes during the blessed holiday season. Merry Christmas, Joe Lawrence. Thank you, Joe. There's a sticker on this. It says, "Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours." That is so sweet. That is a really nice sticker. I had never thought about saying that. Now these are statement pieces. This beautiful statement pieces. Nice, large, individual like jewels. Oops, got this one turned around. But a nice black and gray with sparklies all around it. How beautiful. Oh, look. Another one. I think this looks very, well, it kind of looks like Tetris if you turn it upside down. But it also looks like something you'd find in Central America, Aztec or Incan. And this set has the matching earrings with it. How lovely. Thank you so much, Joe. It's always a pleasure doing business with you. Merry Christmas.